So I recently picked up the Thermaltake View 170 TG ARGB case. This is going to be the white version, and let's do a quick unboxing. I'm about to build a PC, so we're going to show you guys basically the before and after, and I'll show you exactly what this PC case can look like once everything's set up. All right, so it has some pretty good packaging. Lots of foam and plastic covering all of the panels. Something else that I like about this case is that it comes with fans that are capable of RGB. All right, so the cool part about this case is it comes with 3 ARGB fans and actual thermal glass. So that's a really nice touch. I wasn't expecting that at this price point, but it's a really clean setup. I love this case. And then we have the power button here, indicator lights, we have USB 3.0 on the top, audio jack, and then the mic in. Looks like this case has a ton of airflow on the top and bottom. That's gonna be removable. You guys could definitely put a water cooler mounted up top there. All of this is really good airflow for your power supply, and even the back has a ton of ventilation. All right, and just in case you guys are curious, this is what the backside of the case is gonna look like. A whole bunch of room there. It looks like room for a hard drive, an SSD, and we get 4 slots here, it looks like, for the graphics card. All right, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and build a PC in here, and I'll show you guys the results when we're done. All right, guys, so the PC is complete. I really enjoyed building in this one. It has good airflow, and I went with the white theme, so even the graphics card matches the CPU cooler, and I got some cables. But so far, it's been really easy to work with. The RGB on this thing is really nice. Even though it's just 3 fans, it actually lights up the entire case, and all of the white just reflects the RGB. So I was tempted to add some other RGB strips to the top, but honestly, I think I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. I was worried that you guys would see the cables looking through this like mesh, but it honestly blocks almost everything, so you can't tell that I have a bunch of cables down there. And I like that you guys don't have any screws to remove the panels. They literally just pop off. And even on the back where it's a little tighter because of all the cables, it stays in place and it doesn't pop off. I will also mention that this case is super quiet, so all the stock fans are basically silent. You can barely tell that they're on. And down here, we had plenty of room to store all of those extra wires. It's basically what I'm using that hard drive area for. It's just cable management. And all the ports up here have been working just fine. That's what it's gonna look like from the back. So anyways, if you guys are looking for a micro ATX case, I would definitely suggest looking into this one. It was really fun to build in, and I think the overall look is just beautiful, especially for the price. So anyways, that's it for my really quick review of this PC case.